Welcome back to another one. A big day today at MRUS. Bloody hell, it's crowded in there. Never seen so many here. A few Honda 4s. What have we got here? A little Suzuki. It's a nice little rig. I know that's Chris's 850. Don't know what this one is. A couple of nice Hondas. Also got Ronnie again on his MZ. We've got caravans pulling up too. Boys are all out here now. It's about 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock. A casualty?
I'll go over and see the boys.
Hello, Derek. Greg's ridden his faithful old TX in again today. Bill's on this one here today at LTD 1000. I'm on my old Z. Nice lineup of bikes here. RD 350. It's in immaculate condition, that one. There's Mark's Z9. Gordy's K1. Daryl's Z1000. Looks like a showroom here. A showroom from the 70s. Hell, today we've got a real nice Z1B here today, Leon's. Don't see this out very often lately. What a beauty. Also got Scotty here today. A 665 valve Yamaha Tenere. Yeah, look at that thing. BMW 18, or is it, or a 1200? Yeah, Leon's nice Z1B. It's a real beauty. Yeah, look at them all in here today. It's a crazy day. It's a beautiful day, the weather's perfect. It's probably only 28 or something like that. Absolute perfect weather we're getting here lately in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Especially when it's summer weather. Even got Tony's big Valkyrie here today. Nice Kawasaki Z1100. So that's in the 80s. Hello, I better watch out there, I'll get run over. It's all happening here today. Mainly all new stuff up this end. That's that BMW, it sounds nice. Nice FJR here. Yeah, look at that weather, eh? Perfect. That's why so many people are out today, I'd say. Just crowded in there. We are very lucky where we live here that we get good weather most of the time. Even summer. Watch out for those redbacks. You're on the wrong bike there, Phil.
Fucking carby, yeah. I'm just trying to get the old fuel out.
Give her a few revs, right?
Back to what?
Yeah. You can hear it.
So going to give it.
Nice FJR. Yeah, a few have gone home already, as you can see. What the hell's that? 1250 BM. Geez, a lot of bike there. KTM 990. There's some nice Japanese bikes there. The ME750, an LTD 1000, a Z900 and a K2 Honda 4 and a 79 CBX. ZXR 750 Kawasaki. A few new KTMs in there. That's an old gold wing, this one here, it'll be in the 80s. Still going, but 1506. Graham's monkey bike.
But I don't know whether it did any worse like 17.
Big machine.
This is a fucking damn
You burn yours. Holy hell! Yeah, that. Be careful. Be careful on that, Graham.
Is Ruth coming?
No, mate, it's too cool. Is she?
It runs nicely. It runs very. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, $17,000. Now just to let you see that there are two of these here today, two RD 350s. This beauty here, which is in really good order, and then we come over here, and this one rocked in. Looks much the same to me, identical twins. Beauty. Little RDs. Water cooled. Although he's got 4,300, and this one over here, there's Pete's Big 1400. This one over here has got 39,000 Ks. Jeez. The gang's all in here, bloody.
38 tonight, 40 actually now for the big jam.
Yeah, a lot of big discussions going on here.
Myself, while we've got them both there.
Yeah.
You go through the brass and pop it on you. Anyway, the reason why we do that is it's got refurbished.
Everyone's gone home. It's only 11 o'clock and most of them are gone. Other than a few. And there's my Quacker 9. For sale at 30k. Two of the icons from the 70s. Quacker 9 and a Honda Ford. There's another wild man from the 70s. There's,
Oh yeah.
see you, mate. There goes Leon. He's got to go back over the other side of town. There's Chris heading north on his 750 Z1. There's the RD twins. They look alike, don't they?
Don't they?
The bikes, I mean.
Father and son.
The bikes. Good old Yemi 750. What a machine. Nice Quacker 9 there. Scotty's leaving, Gordy's preparing to leave. What'd you say it sounds like, Darryl? Darryl, what do you say it sounds like?
A Swiss watch.
Bit of a lot of cars come past here. Look at those two icons of the 70s. 71 and a 72. There's the back of the car. Finally got these boys to put these two together. The identical twins. Everyone for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe if you can, mainly subscribe. I've only got about 100 to go to get to 1,000. It'd be really great if I can get there before the end of the year even. Yeah, it was a great day at MRU today. Jeez, it's crowded. About 6 Quacker 9 1000s and 3 Honda 4s, a Yemi TX 750, a CBX. I mean, gee, there's some nice bikes there. But if you can get along here one day, come along on a Saturday morning and check it out. But thanks everyone. Hope you see your bike on my videos, and we'll catch you next week. All the best. Bye.